Today we're taking a detailed look at the 2026 Jeep Grand Wagoneer, one of the most talked about full-size SUVs hitting the market this year. Jeep has made some big moves with the Grand Wagoneer lineup for 2026, and it starts at a surprisingly accessible price of $66,000 in the United States for the base model. That puts it in direct competition with luxury SUVs like the Cadillac Escalade and Lincoln Navigator. B-roll suggestion. Slow panning shots of the Jeep Grand Wagoneer parked outdoors, sunlight reflecting off the paint, close-ups of the grille and front fascia. The Grand Wagoneer has been simplified this year, consolidating the Wagoneer name across the entire large SUV family. That means you can now choose from trims ranging from the base Grand Wagoneer to high-end luxury options without getting lost in confusing variations. Each trim comes with Jeep's signature capability and comfort. Voiceover cue. Highlight the base model as the camera shows the exterior front 3/4 angle. Under the hood, the 2026 Grand Wagoneer features a 3.0-liter Hurricane twin-turbo inline-6 gasoline engine that produces 420 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This setup gives the Grand Wagoneer confident on-road performance and serious towing capabilities, up to roughly 10,000 pounds when properly equipped. B-roll suggestion. Driving shots on highway and off-road, showing the suspension movement and wheel articulation. Now let's talk about trims. The base Grand Wagoneer starts around $66,000, and then you have Limited, Summit, Summit Reserve, and Obsidian trims, each adding more luxury features and advanced technology. The Summit models are particularly impressive, with full leather interiors, advanced Macintosh audio, and large infotainment displays. Voiceover cue. Insert interior shots showing leather seats, dashboard screens, and infotainment system. For families needing more space, there's the Grand Wagoneer L, the long wheelbase version. It stretches the cabin for extra passenger comfort and cargo room. This version offers trims like Limited Altitude, 85th Anniversary Edition, Summit Reserve, and Summit Obsidian, with prices exceeding $100,000 fully loaded. B-roll suggestion. Rear seats and cargo area, showing seat folding, cup holders, and second-row luxury seating. Inside, the 2026 Grand Wagoneer delivers a tech-forward and luxurious environment. It supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, has multiple USB-C charging ports, and premium options like Macintosh audio systems for crystal-clear sound. Seating can accommodate 7 to 8 passengers, depending on the configuration. Voiceover cue. Highlight climate controls, rear seat entertainment screens, and customizable ambient lighting. The exterior gets a refresh as well. Jeep updated the front end, LED lighting, and the iconic 7-slot grille for a more upscale appearance. While it's a big SUV, it still maintains that unmistakable Jeep character. B-roll suggestion. Slow pan around front grille, LED headlights, and close-up on Jeep logo. So in summary, the 2026 Jeep Grand Wagoneer combines strong towing capabilities, family-friendly interior, premium tech, and versatile trims. Whether you're looking for a base model that's accessible or a fully loaded Summit Reserve L that feels ultra-luxurious, Jeep has something for every buyer in the full-size SUV segment.